Do you ever wonder where your money disappears every month? You earn, but somehow saving feels impossible. After paying your utility bills like rent, phone, electricity, your wallet becomes empty and you feel broke. First step in managing your money is budgeting. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The key principle in managing budget is your expenses must be less than your income. First, we need to understand what is income in order to manage our budget. Income includes salary, side income, any money you receive regularly. You may have different sources of income. For example, you are employed in a company or as well as you are running a business at the same time. The second thing that is important in managing budget is expenses. What is expenses? Expenses are of two types mainly, fixed expenses and variable. Fixed expenses include like our rent, and variable expenses include food, shopping, groceries, etc. Now we can understand the concept of income and expenses. Now we are in the position to apply the golden rule of 15%, 30% and 20%. 50% for your need, 30% for your wants and 20% for your saving or debt repayments. A budget only works if it's realistic. Don't cut everything at once. Start small and adjust based on your lifestyle. Budgeting is mainly about learning and growing. You can try different ideas of cutting your budget or your expenses and see where you can afford to live and where you cannot. Track your spending weekly and review your budget every month. Life changes and your budget should too. Keeping track of the budget on weekly and monthly basis is very important. Pro tip is automate your savings. Save first and spend later. For example, you earn your money in your bank account and you should save your money in your saving account first and draw rest of the money in your for your expenses. It will automate the saving process and you will never forget about saving your pre-decided amount. A realistic budget isn't about restrictions, it is about control and freedom. Start today, stay consistent, and your money will start working for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and share.